Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you what I received from my subscription box from SeeNew Skincare. And it's a bi-monthly box, so I get it every 2 months. And I've been subscribing to it for about a year now. And it features full-size products from a brand every other month. So every other month I get to try a different brand, but I get full-size products. So this month's box is sponsored by Skincare, UMM Skincare, and it always comes with a card giving you what the products are about. So it has body oil. It says provides nourishment for the entire body, face, and scalp. And that would be this. So it's a nice size bottle. It says 24 karat gold and saffron is in here. In fact, you can see the gold flakes and the saffron flakes in there. Let's see. There you go. You can see the strands in there. And this says anti-aging, replenishing, and nourishing, soothing, and restorative. So it says ingredients are almond oil, jojoba oil, safflower oil, grapeseed oil, sesame seed oil, ashwagandha, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, geranium EO, which I imagine means oil, Lang Lang EO 24 karat gold, and saffron, and it's 4 fluid ounces. So you can always use some body oil. Then the next thing is the Imperfectly Perfect. Let's see. It is a soap bar. So I'm not sure if you can see there. It says the bar, cleanse, hydrate, and nourish, 4 ounces. All right, so let's take that out. So this is what it looks like. And you can see it's handmade. I mean, you can see where they sliced it. Smells good too. Smells nice and fresh. So nice size bar. And it says this multifunctional bar is a combination of Ayurvedic herbs, oils, perfect for chilly mornings. And it does have that spicy smell to it, so, or scent, I should say. Really nice. And then the other item is Hand and Body Butter, a harmonious blend of uncompromising luxury for your everyday moments. So again, this is a nice, huge tub. And it says the Hand and Body Butter. And let's see. It says it's vegan, jasmine, sandalwood, and rose. So let's open it up. So as you can see here, it's nice and thick. Smells really good too. Really, really good. And here in Arizona, we could always use, some extra moisturizing. So I'm going to put some on right now. So very nice. And then it smells really good. And then the other item is Immunity Tea. It says full of potent organic ingredients to help immunity, support function of the body. So it's this package here. And you can smell the green tea. So it says 15 bags, Ayurvedic, 100% natural, plant-based, and vegan. And just says to steeping instruction, bring fresh water to a boil, add 1 tea bag, and steep. And it says suggested use, drink 1 12-ounce cup for daily support and fast-acting protection at the onset of an immune challenge. Each bag can be steeped up to 3 times for additional benefits. Okay, so they're not individually wrapped, which I kind of was hoping it would have been, so I could have sent them out as part of Tea Tuesday. But these are what the bags look like. I can smell some mint in there. So that's what I received for this. I think this is going to be March, April March and April's box. So it's the Immunity, it's the body oil, and the bar. I guess it's just called the bar. So 4-ounce bar there. And this nice big tub of hand and body butter. So definitely looking forward to using especially these care products. And the body oil, you know, could always use that too to replenish and hydrate your skin. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. But I really do like this company because I get to try out at least a brand every other month. They give plenty. I mean, in 2 months, I still have plenty of leftovers. So, yeah, I really enjoy it. And this, by the way, is my my little fountain that I got at Hobby Lobby. So I really do like it. I've got the batteries going in there. So take care, everyone. Again, I hope you subscribe, like, and share, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.